Hello guys, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more, and I am about to saute some, or should I say brown or sear some ribeye steaks, and right now I have them soaking in vinegar water for about 30 minutes, and then I will wash them really well, rinse all of the vinegar out, and put in my seasonings. And these are the seasonings that I will be using. I will use the onion powder and garlic powder generously. But the other seasonings I will just put a little dash of because some of them may have salt in them. So I will be very careful with the Chef Paul Prudhomme's magic meat and the Creole seasoning because I know they have some salt. Okay, this is my tenderizer, and I will be using this side for the beef to pound it a little because the beef is a little bit thick. In my iron skillet, I love my cast iron skillet, I have some olive oil and avocado oil mixed, which is about 2 tablespoons. So I will wash these really well, rinse them, get my seasonings put on. We'll pound them first, and then get my seasonings put on to tenderize them with the pounder right here. And the tenderizer, should I say. And then I'll bring you guys back when I get everything in progress. Just want you to see how pretty they are. And I have one down here, and I want you to see I always cover my tenderizer with plastic. Now the smooth side over here is for the chicken. The one with the ridges that I showed earlier is for the beef, and I use this to cover, though I will still wash it, but I just don't like to use it bare. So this is what it looks like since I have tenderized it. So I'm going to go on and put the seasonings on, and then I will come back. These are the steaks searing in the skillet. Just wanted you guys to see. I'm getting ready to turn them. And I have 2 in the skillet, and I have 1 more that I have to sear. But just wanted to bring you in to see what is going on. This is what the inside looks like. It is so, so delicious. So flavorful. Really, really good. The steaks have been seared and they are delicious. I can eat them just like they are. Now, if I decide to make a little roux and onions and gravy, I'll do so. But they're already done. Just wanted you guys to see my seared steaks. This is Patty, and I will come to you with another video. But for right now, be safe. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads, and give me the thumbs up. I will see you guys later.